Hi, I'm Jeffrey, a student at Jones Technical Institute. Following video is going to have some instructional information regarding diesel technology. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you should leave a message at the end of the video in the comments bar. Thank you very much. I'm going to be demonstrating on how to use a scan tool to pull up diagnostic codes and to help you with troubleshooting. So first what you need to do is get out your diagnostic tool, whether it's handheld or computer based, and we'll start from there. The scan tool that we have here is the JOW test. It's a computer based scan tool, so that's going to hook up to the computer through a USB cable. So we'll go ahead and plug that in. Now once you have your scan tool plugged into the computer, you go ahead and plug that into the OBD2 port, which is located usually on the driver's side compartment of the vehicle, somewhere underneath the dash. So we'll go ahead and plug this in here. Now once that's plugged in to your scan tool, you come back here. Like I said, ours is PC based, so we'll pull up the computer and we'll open up the application. As you see with ours, we've got the option here to read the fault codes, and that's what we want to do. Those fault codes are going to help us determine what the computer inside the vehicle has seen as far as problems, and then we can use that to help us diagnose the issues. Now, reading the fault codes can take quite a bit of time, so we're going to go ahead and start this, let it connect to the vehicle, and pull all those down, and then we'll continue on. You see our system found 7 warnings in the instrument cluster, so I'm going to go ahead and click this. It'll tell us what our warnings are. So you can see this, some of them are very descriptive, you know, water and fuel indicator. Some of them can be a little bit more harder to determine, you know, faulted SCP-J1850, you know, so we have to look these up using these codes. And sometimes, like right here, power supply too low, if you click on it, they'll have an option for more information. In this case, none of these have more information, so we'd have to do a lookup on these codes here, and that will lead us in the right direction to help us diagnose this problem. So, you know, with this water and the fuel indicator, we could go to the fuel tank or the fuel filter, and we could check this and see if there's, you know, some buildup in water. Since it's the diesel, that can happen. We can also ignition key check. We can, you know, go to the steering column and check the ignition, which on this one we'll see is got a very obvious problem. The ignition here is not seated into the column. So the computer picks it up, gives us a code, which would, you know, help lead us in the right direction for finding these kind of problems. So that's all a scan tool really is. It's not there to fix the car for you, but to give you a general idea of where to start looking in your diagnosis. I hope that helps and leads you in the right direction.